Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, Builders has a huge range of lighting to choose from. We came to our local Builders to take a look at their latest offering. Let's take a look. If you've always wanted to use a chandelier or pendant lighting in your home, 2020 is the year to do it. Builders has stocked up on all the latest designs to help you find the perfect light source for any living area in your home. Pendant lights are ideal for just about every room in your house. Minimalist glass casings and gold and chrome finishes are the trends this year. Or you can go for a clean industrial look. And if you're looking for a more natural look, pendants are also available in woods and other natural materials. And of course, Builders has their own in-house brands for all the accessories you need to get it done. Well, as you can see, Builders has a wide variety of services and products available to you. But why not also use their online store and get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep? You can use their website, which is www.builders.co.za, or otherwise pop into your local Builders. Get to Builders, get it done.